Select any level. Use specific commands to add the various drawing model types. Select the section drawing type. Set the point from which to start the section and set into position. Draw the section line and set the second point. The drawing model is now generated and added. Set a different section plane if necessary. Modify the model section. Invert the section. Customize the title. Choose the scale for the drawing representation. Activate the drawing preview in 3D. Print the drawing model. Or export it in the DXF DWG formats.